What's going on, everybody? Brent Simmons here with Restoration Roofing. So this house right behind me, we did a very interesting repair on yesterday. We replaced all the pipe boots on this 2-year-old house. It's got a nice Owens Corning Oak Ridge architectural shingle. Everything on the roof and the house looks really good, but there was a major problem with the pipe boots that the builders had installed. And let me show you, because I've got one right here. These are the pipe boots that the builders and actually the plumbers for this job installed. Now, a pipe boot is the piece of flashing that protects all those penetrations coming through the roof. Now you can see some metal exhaust right here, but right there is a tankless hot water heater exhaust. These go around those and they make it watertight. But there's a problem with using these cheap rubber pipe boots. And let me show you just an example on this one. This is the top side. So if it's on the roof, it's like this. This one has already become deformed. It had this nice divot in it. And what that was doing, that was actually holding water, which will cause this rubber to wear out prematurely. Another thing, look at all the nails. There's a bunch of nail holes all around this thing, and half of them were actually blown through by the pressure of the nail gun. Okay, so the pipe boots that we use are actually metal, and they have a flexible collar just around the pipe. So when you nail through them, you're not gonna run the risk of the actual nail gun shooting all the way through these. I mean, we pulled these up with ease. You can see how big some of these holes are. The nails weren't even holding this at all. And look at how many penetrations are in this. That's a ton of nails, okay? Let me see if I can set this down. I can very easily pull that right out. Took very little pressure at all. So another problem is too, and this was kind of peculiar about this whole project. I don't know what sealant that the plumbers had used. It was obviously something that they use in the plumbing trade. I'm guessing maybe a PVC bonding adhesive or something like that. And this one isn't the one it was doing it on, but they had spilt some of this onto this collar here, and it had caused like a chemical reaction. So when I went on the roof a couple days ago to inspect these pipe boots, I could literally almost push my finger all the way through it, like the rubber had gotten really soft. So anyways, if you've got a new house, you still run the risk with these cheap pipe boots that should never be used. You still run the risk of having leaks that could cost a lot of money, a lot of interior damage. So if you want me to come out and look at your new roof, give me a call. 901-854-3402. That's Restoration Roofing. Thanks.